Hi there, it's Chelle and Clint.
Hey!
So guys, I did the positivity journal. I was all excited. I loved how it turned out. However, somewhere in between the time I went to upload it into the computer and I walked away, came back, and I thought, oh, it's all uploaded, it erased my video. So I tried to recover it. It recovered the very ending of, like this hour-long video. So it's like 7 minutes long.
But that was the funniest part.
That was, yeah, Clint was, you know how he is. Anyways, what I did is I kind of sketched out a picture. Let me kind of show you guys. So it was something like this. This was influenced or inspired by Ellen Crummy Trent, and the reason I came up with these flowers for the positivity journal is because when the lockdown and everything started, the stay-at-home orders and all that, well, it was the, to me the flowers were still blooming. It was the first day I saw a flower, even though it was really cold, but it had started blooming. And it kind of, kind of said to me that, even though things are so stressful right now, the world's still going to turn, the sun's still going to come up, things like that. So that's what I did. Saying that, of course I had all kinds of insights in my video like I always do. And this is the one I actually did on video for you guys. And like I said, it just totally disappeared except for the ending, which, like Clint said, is the best part. So I'm not going to talk about this too much, but I love this. And what I did is I pulled out my watercolor. It's just a small watercolor journal. And I'm putting my samples in here. So like, I wanted just a simple flower. Ellen Crummy Trent she does really simple work, really whimsical. And, I just loved her work. And, I will be doing another video for tomorrow that is also a positive spin on things. In fact, it's going to be like a little series for me that's going to last about a week. And I am using my Every Day is a New Adventure journal that I got a while back from Christy over at Burlap and Daily Bread. I just thought it was such a good size. And just to kind of show you guys some of the things in here. But my plan is during this series, and to show positivity during this time, is to do a watercolor or something that is positive for me during that day. And like I said, positive. The flowers were really positive to me because it was scary. That's when I thought about doing the flowers, it was just everything was up in the air. We didn't know what was going on. Everyone's buying toilet paper, which I still can't find, by the way. And, so it was kind of a scary time. But, I remember looking at these flowers and I was like, the world's still turning. We still have a positive because, restaurants are closed and stores are closed and there's essential workers and you're wearing a mask, things like that. But, things that are more normal and that is always going to come around every year no matter what is nature. And so that's kind of what we're going to be doing during the series. So I just kind of drew hers. Like I said, this was a sample, and it was to me it was a little bright and stuff. And then when I came up with this one, I did this one, like I said, on camera, and I thought it turned out so pretty. And then, yeah, it was all erased. So
That happens.
it does, and it happens for a reason. But you know what? We're going to stay positive. So tomorrow I have another, hopefully, full journal. Like Clint said, don't erase anything until you make sure it's uploaded. Because what happened is I walked away and came back. The cat was there. and the upload symbol was gone. So I tried to recover it 3 or 4 times, and it still has not recovered. It won't recover because I don't know what's wrong with it. But so the cat was up there, and I thought, oh, wow, that was fast. And so I hit delete. Well, it deletes it from my card inside my camera, and I have Recuva, which will record it or recover it usually, and it did recover like 3 files, and that's all it's recovering for me. So I go ahead. The part that we were able to recover is me putting the piece in here. This was watercolor. It was on arches, cotton paper, and I used my really nice Newton Winsor, I think that's what it was, watercolors. Just kind of playing along, and I wrote down some stuff, but I talk about that in the ending of this video. So I'm not going to keep you guys, mainly because I've been messing with this video stuff for like the last 2 hours, so it's kind of like, okay, I have a headache now. So stay tuned, watch the rest of this video, and hopefully tomorrow I will have a full video for you guys. Again, just stay positive. We'll see you guys soon. Bye. Okay guys, so that to me was very, like I said, a very positive thing in this trying times, yeah, for sure. I remember seeing that, and I was like, honey, look. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to tape this down. I think I'm going to use double-sided tape because I think that will work best. Or maybe I'll just use my art glitter glue. Yeah, let's just use the art glitter glue. And then I'll write something over here that kind of says, you know, what's going on in this time, and, you know, why this was a very positive thing for me to see at the time. You know, just that the world is still spinning. Things aren't, they all haven't changed. Everything hasn't changed, even though, you know, it's just a different time. So I invite you guys to do a positivity journal if you would like to. It's really fun, and I would love to see what you do. Come join us over on Facebook at The Rambling Crafters with an S. We always have a link below. And like I said, this is going to be a series, at least for the next week, because I've seen a bunch of positive things that I want to kind of write about. Things that make me happy, and it keeps my spirits up during this time. You know, just, you know, little things that you're not used to. You know, I was talking to my sister, and, you know, we're not able to go and have breakfast with her. That was one thing we would do, and then we'd go like yard selling and stuff like that. So that to me has changed a lot for us. That's not normal, you know. I mean, it's not a normal year as far as yard selling and, you know, spending time together with my sister or my friends or whatever. But, you know, the flowers still bloom, the sun still shines, and, you know, so I invite you guys to think of something positive in your life that you want to record, you know. And you know what I'm going to do is I'm going to grab my pen, and we are going to, ooh, that's tiny, I think. Yeah, no, I don't know. So I'm just going to write that, you know, something over here, just something interesting, trying to stay positive. It's really tiny, huh? Positive in a not so positive time. Positive. However, the earth still turns. The flowers still grow. And the birds still sing. Looking for the positive aspects. The normal. In a not so normal situation.
Now the cream you chugged up.
Oh really?
It is absolutely adorable.
Oh wow. And then I'm just going to put, you know, some things that are a little bit different, like coronavirus. (2019) well, obviously to 2020. Wear masks. Stay 6 feet away from others. And 3, be positive. Okay, so hopefully that gives you guys some idea on how to go about kind of being positive during this time. I hope you give this painting a try. It was really fun. I really enjoyed it and I'm really happy. So, do you guys want to see my sample? Okay, guys. How sad is this? It's just brighter, and I didn't have my composition right. You know, like I should have had this piece like come over further and things like that. But that's one reason I wanted to go ahead and have a little sample for myself so that I could kind of fix it to put in my for long term in my journal. So thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure and head over and check out the other ones that are doing positivity journals. So some of them are making full journals, which is really awesome, which is what Joy DeFee did. And then Artie Mays, Andrea at Artie Mays, is using one like I'm doing. So head over and check out theirs. There's a huge playlist that Joy DeFee will have in her playlist, and she'll have videos from everyone. But I hope you guys enjoyed this. So come back tomorrow and see what I'm positive about in tomorrow's video. Thank you guys so much for watching. We'll see you guys in the next video. Stay positive, have faith that things will go well, and stay safe. Thanks for watching. Be sure and hit that subscribe button, give this video a thumbs up, and we'll see you guys in the next video. See you soon. Bye.
Oh wait. Sorry about that. Let's go. Adios. Not hola, it's adios.
See you soon.
Bye, guys.